Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I want to show you how to use sewing machine. The sewing machine, everybody likes to have it too. It will be wonderful if you have it, because at home you can sew a dress, you can fix your husband clothes, you can fix your own clothes, you can do wedding dresses, you can make children dresses. It's a wonderful thing to have. So today I want to show you the people who really never had it or never used it. It's really unique thing it is to have it and to do it, and it's easy to do it. So this is a bobbin, the thread. We will put it. This is how we have to start. We hold the thread, and there is a little instrument here, like parts, that the thread first, it goes, like I said, every machine is different way. The thread goes with this machine. This is a Canmore. The thread goes from the back over here. There is opening, and then comes forward, and then goes into this part. Then it goes down, and it has to go from the roll over here. You push it up, and then you go from here inside. Then you see over here, this is the part that it brings up and down the thread. You have to go through this part over here, and then go back again to the same place, and then go to here, and then there is a little part over here, a little tool goes inside just like this, and then goes into the needle. Now I'm going to put the light on. There is a switch. Every machine has a little switch. There you go. So we can thread the needle. So hopefully you have a good eyesight. It has to go through. And once you put in, it goes under the teeth, just like this. So make sure that it's nice and secure here. And always make sure you have plenty extra here, because once you start to sew, the needle, once it comes out, it pulls the thread, and it will come out from the needle back again. So you don't need that. Now, this is a bobbin, which is the bottom. This one we put in the bottom part here. This is the bobbin holder. You put your bobbin in, and then over here, the top that you see right here, it goes from this line. There is only one line here. You put it here like this, and you pull it this way, and it comes over here. And this is how you can pull your thread out. And that's how, when you sew it, it pulls it up. There is a handle here that you hold it like this, and you see here inside, here there is a hole. You just go in, and this part that you see here, there is a little hole over here. It has to go in like that, so it doesn't move. This way it's secure. Now we want to take the thread out. We will move our handle here. It's like sewing. You pull it like this, and it takes the bottom thread out once you turn it. And I need a little needle or scissor to show you how the thread came out here. That the white thread pulled the black thread. I put it on purpose so you can see together. This, when we turn it in, when the needle went in, it pulled the black thread out, and you push it back. This part closes, and you can sew like this, but this one has a little stand. It pushes out. Whenever your thread breaks or something happen, you can just pull it out. You can open this, and you can take it out again. And you fix it, and then you put it back again, and then you close it, and then fits in. Now I want to show you a couple stitches here. Now when you sew, always, of course, the material we fold. It's like hemming to keep the material clean. Otherwise, the fringes comes out. So every material that you sew, it has to be like hemming. Now, I'm gonna show you the stitch. The only thing is I have to turn off the lights because the camera, it doesn't show very clear. So maybe if I do this, you can see it better. But later on, I'll turn it off on and I will show you. So now we have to do a basic stitches for you that you, when you practice, it has a footstep. It has this foot thing. What it is, you have to push down. Goes up and down. When you down, it works. But now, I have to put the light on to work. Okay, so now this is just a basic stitches. I put, okay, now I'm gonna show you this. Let's go out from here. All right. Now, do you see the top part, which is the white thread, that is the top, and the bottom one is the black one. So it has to be in a bobbin and top so they can tangle to each other. They hold each other, and this is the way it does the sewing for you. And I want to show you here, which I wanted to show you a few minutes ago. I'm going to bring the needle up again to put under. Now I want to talk to you about the stitches. Here that we have, like I said, it shows the design, the zigzag, straight, zigzag, and whatever. This is the key over here. Now that I did the stitch, I did the straight stitch. Now I'm going to make the zigzag. So this one, what I do, I turn it. This is a small zigzag. This is a little bigger, and this is even much bigger. Between them, it's like a between. It means not too small, not too big. They have the designs that you can do. Let's do this big zigzag, and let's see. Oh, one more thing. When we have to do big zigzag, definitely we need to change the teeth. So because now I don't want to do that, let's do the small one. Every time before you sew, like this is now, it's on a small zigzag. Before you sew, because the needle goes left and right, you make sure you try with your hands to make sure if it's okay. Otherwise, your needle goes much further to the metal on the stand and it will break. So this is the smallest zigzag now I'm going to do. It looks like it's okay with these teeth. I'm just going to work a little bit. Let's see. I'm just going to show you like this. Okay. Do you see here the zigzag? How did it do it? And when I put on the big one, the thread goes much further, left and right, left and right. But this is because it's a small one, it did very small. This one you can use for the edge of the material. What it does is, it keeps the threads, you know, the material to come apart. See, like it will try to hold it. So this way the thread doesn't come out. It will like protect. Even though I need to clean it first. But this is what it does. So anyway, it has so many teeth. And this one has, of course, a cutter, which you put, when you cut your thread, you can always go, just let's say this is too long, or it was with the material, you hold this and you pull it from here. Oh, let's see. It's too short in my hands. There you go. You cut it from here. So anyway, now I want to show you when you want to fill up the bobbin. Now we have to take the thread out. Okay, and then we're going to put on a first one. And then this is the bobbin. That's what they call bobbin. We have to put the thread here a little bit and twist it with our hands. Even though there is a hole you can go through, but it's going to take time. So I'm just going to do this couple time like this. And this thread, it came out a little bit too much out. We have to fix it. There you go. And this bobbin goes over here, in. And then you have to push this inside. This goes out and goes in. What it does, it holds it. But you have to make sure that sometimes the bobbin can go maybe this way or that way. First you have to check it before. Let's see. Even though I don't have to hold it, but I'm holding it. This is what it does. I should leave it so it does by itself. But this is what it is for. It fills up your thread and you take it out. And that's where you use it for your sewing in your bobbin machine. So when you have a black material, you put black thread. When you have white material, you put white material. So one thing too, over here there is a screw. What it does this, sometimes when you sew the thread, it's thicker, it will give you a hard time and it will break your thread. So this screw, you have to loosen it up very little. Let me get the... Let's have the screwdriver here. This is special, like small screwdriver like this. You see over here the screw. You can just loosen it up or tighten it up. It depends your thread, if it's thick or thin. If it's too thick, you loosen it up. If it's thinner, then tighten it up. So it doesn't, if it's too thin, it's too much thread. If no, it will stay very, very good. So you put this back in, and always when you put the thread side, it should be outside, not towards to you, towards outside, like this, and then comes towards to you. You see the teeth here, comes here, and it goes in. And that's where you hold it. There's a handle, comes out, you hold, and you put in, and that's where the job does it. Sometimes you have to be always careful that those are the safety things, that sometimes your machine can move it. Some people, they take it to the man to fix it. It's really, they charge you money if you don't know anything. You make sure always your machine is secure from here. That's all it is. You close it, you put it back to have a stand when you're sewing, and makes your life easier. So, well, thank you for watching. I hope you'll try it, and I hope you'll have a machine, because it's very important. You can do so many things. I make my wedding veil, I make my children outfit, clothes, and everything. It's beautiful work. Even I make my customers some clothes and apron and everything. So I hope you'll have it and you try it, you enjoy it. It's a beautiful thing to have it. Thank you for watching. Of course, every machine has a little different way to thread it, but more or less is the same way it is. My two favorite sewing machines, one of them is Singer, one of them is Kenmore. So click the link in the description so you can buy it. And I have my favorite threads, which is going to be in description. So click on that and you'll find it. Well, thank you for watching again. Bye-bye.